Hello everybody! Today I have Ellen Wille's wig from their hair powder collection called Sound Monopart. And thank you for World of Wigs for providing me this lovely wig for review. Let's unbox her. What do we have here? Let's take the net off. Lovely curly bob. A nice color. Really nice autumn color. It's called Tobacco Rooted. Let's look at the color first. It says it has got lightest brown and light golden blonde, dark strawberry blonde blend with shaded roots. The roots are darker, like you see. And she's heat-friendly material. But first, let's look at the cap construction. She's got monofilament part here and just a mini lace here, and the rest of the cap here is basic. And then wefted cap, stretchy. And she has got velvet ear tabs, extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. You can adjust it to fit your head better. Okay, let's try her on. Okay, ready to wear. Cute. Take my comb. Let's break the zigzag part. She's really lightweight. Really doesn't feel like you're having anything on your head. And like I said before, she does have only just small kind of mini lace here, but it really doesn't matter because you have these lovely bangs here that you keep on the side of your head. It really doesn't matter. See? No lace front here. Doesn't matter. Anyhow. And she's heat friendly, synthetic fiber, so you can straighten her, make more curls, and heat style her. Let me show you, make some turns. And the size of this, like all of Ellen Wille's wigs, they are petite average. And you still have these Velcro adjusters back here. You can tighten this circumference or loosen it. And the cap is quite stretchy. She doesn't have much permatease, but she's got a little bit of permatease just to cover up the weftings back here. Not too much. Very lightweight. Cute.